Hello, welcome to another tutorial in the Alora Essentials, and I have been Samuel Light Parameter Brimpong, and I've been taking you through a whole lot of um, videos on how to use Alora Web Editor to build your website. So right now we are going to add a few animations to this. We are going to publish our website and then we are going to put it online. So what we can do in the way of animations, we have several ways we can add animations. So if you can just type animations in there, you can see a whole lot of stuff. But we are just going to do hover animations for now. Scroll animations are for another video. We'll come to it. For now, let's just do hover animations. So we are just going to do hover animations. And what these are, when you hover your mouse over them, the animation should change. You can do whatever you want. So we can grow, right? So when you hover them, it will grow. Let's add another hover animation to this. Let's say forward. I'm just adding random animations here, right? You can even add it to text. It doesn't matter what element, you can just add to text. So I'm just going to be push. Alright, so click on this, the pop-up image, and we're gonna have hover animations onto this one. So let's see hover animations. Sorry, let's see push. Let's type for the animation we want. We want to use push for this one. So we select and we save. Now that we've added our animations, what we need to do is reload our frame, and then as you can see when it pushes when you hover your mouse, right? Some of them are not stuff that you would really want to use, right? So let's go through here, right? So but this is too much. We don't want this animation, so instead of that over the top animation, we are going to use other animations. Float, and this one, when you change it, this one was forward, it wasn't bad, but we can say float, right? And you can create a section style, or more so you can create an action to apply this animation so that you don't have to go around applying them, or you can apply them in the beginning before you duplicate them so many times. That will make it easier for you. So let's say float. Okay, so let's do, and this looks much better. So when you hover your mouse, you can see that we have some animations going for us. We have some light animations going for us, and you can do all that, right? You can do all that. You can add other animations, but right now we are dealing with hover animations so that interactions on your website will be interesting. Now for this tutorial, we've learned a lot. We've been able to build this simple portfolio website that when we put online, we are going to be able to have people contact us. They are going to see our work that we have done, and they get to know a little bit about us. This is not a proper website we put online. Yes, though we have the design done, we would now need to put in proper content. We will now need to look at a few other things to make it ready for online. Now one of the things that we can look at here is the page meter. We remember we talked about this. We had it in our page where we created our page meter. So if you've done this already, it's a matter of just copying and pasting it, right? And basically let's just go ahead and then copy this. It's very important for your website. Okay, so we clicked outside and then we lost that. So the image is when you send a link. When you send a link to someone, you see the image that actually appears when you send a link on WhatsApp or on social media or any of those places. So you would want to pick an image that you like, an image that you would want to pop up, and there are dimensions for that image that we are going to make available in the description of the video, and you can have it. So basically we have that one here, and then we are going to add settings. So basically we are done with that. We need to move on to the next section. This is one of the things you need to do to prepare for your website to go online. Now first, if you try to publish this website to give you a wrong license, create a host license to be able to publish the website. So now let's go back to our project. Now we are going to create a license for this website. This is a simple website. Okay, so we are now going to create our license, and then we just click the license, and I'm just going to put in my password because it's going to ask you, and then we are going to select one of these licenses. So we have the monthly license, and then we have the yearly license. For the basic yearly, what we are going to have is $5 per month per year, and this one can host more than like up to 1 to 5 page simple website, and basically that's it. If you want to host more than 5 pages, or you want to host websites up to like 20-30 pages, then you'd have to go for the $10. But this is the license we are creating for this website. The phone number, so that basically if there's an issue, it will be used to recover the license for you. So make sure you use a proper phone number, because you receive a message on that phone number to recover your license if there's an issue. Alright, so we are going to so the license has been created for the whole year for $60, and with that I can create my hosting and then publish this online. But before we do that, let's go back to our website and then publish it. So we can publish our website now. As you can see, the page has been published, and there are other things that we want to do to get ready to push our website online. First, we need to go to our settings and get a few things done. Let's go to our general settings here. So we double click our general settings, and there are a few things that we want to put on. Back to the top, we want to activate it so that a pop-up comes at the end of the page so that you can scroll back to the top. Age checker, we don't need any of this. One thing, that these are accounts, your Twitter accounts, your Facebook accounts, you can just put all these ones here. We don't need them, so we are putting Google verification code. This is for Google Captcha, and then we are not using the Captcha now, but we will register. We'll show you how to do that, so that you put all your codes in here and to generate a Captcha on all your forms for you. Now the domain, we have not added our domain yet, so we have to make sure that it's empty so that there's nothing in there. Our SSL for our website is also off, so we are just testing the website now. Now that we are done with this, we can go ahead, create a hosting, and then push our website. So we are going to do just that in the next video. We are going to create a host, push our website online, and our website will go live. We can even register a domain, add a domain to it, and then make our website responsive. And then our website is 100% done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.